Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you what the ×2 button means on your Delonghi Magnifica Start. It simply means it's putting through twice the volume of water, not twice the amount of coffee. So if I was to do espresso just normally, it's going to give us one shot of espresso. Right, so you can see that that is just a normal shot of espresso there. Now we're going to use the ×2 feature. So what you do is hit ×2, and now we're going to press espresso again. You can do coffee or long and it will still do twice the water volume. So I'm going to hit this now. It will grind for the same amount of time, but you will see that twice the volume of water will come out. And there you can see that the volume is much bigger. So the same amount of coffee has been used, it's just put through twice the amount of water. So if you're wondering what the ×2 button means, now you know. Thank you so much for watching.